Houston. Falling, that aircraft out of the sky with a series of high-speed snack rolls on the down line. Let's watch him as he goes nose for tail, tail for nose, in a maneuver he likes to call the Pearl Necklace. The MX-2, one of only 11 of these aircraft made anywhere in the world. It's custom built, all carbon fiber, and arguably makes it one of the highest performing aerobatic airplanes on the planet. With a roll rate of some 420 degrees per second, it's rated to a bone-crushing positive and negative 16 Gs. The MX-2 is the only aircraft capable of meeting Brad's extreme demands and trademark maneuvers. At over 200 miles an hour, we watch him now as he pulls into the vertical. In this maneuver he likes to call the flip top, as he goes nose through tail right on over the full somersault and recovers right there, just 500 feet above the ground. The smoke exploding in the sky, but with incredible precision. You can see that in each and every one of Brad Worston's maneuvers. He's very proud to partner alongside the Ryan J. Poe Foundation, a youth program called Elevate Your Life, as an action arm of the foundation, founded by late airshow performer Greg Poe. The mission of the foundation is to utilize aviation to inspire, motivate, and create a path for young people to realize their dreams, and the encouragement that those young people achieve and receive to follow their dreams is a big passion for Brad. We talk a little bit about the gyroscopic forces. Here's another one of those maneuvers. We like to call that the lump shabak. It's Czechoslovakian for headache.